Okay, so let's continue. We want to take a look at another example of solving equations, those that involve fractions. Let's take a look at this example that says 3y minus 1 divided by 5. 3y minus 1 divided by 5 minus 2y plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And very similar to our last example, what we want to do to make life easier for us in solving this problem, we want to make sure that we can multiply by the least common multiple between 5, 4, and we know 1 is 1 over 1. So the least common multiple here between 5 and 4 is actually 20. So just like in the last example, I want to take each term and I want to multiply by 20 so that I can eliminate the fraction, and then let's see the algebra that happens thereafter. Okay, so if I take the 3y minus 1 divided by 5, and if I multiply by 20 over 1, I have cancellation with the 5 and the 20. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 into 20 goes 4 times. And now I take my 4 and I multiply it times 3y minus 1. Okay? So I want to do the same thing with my 2y plus 1 over 4. I take 2y plus 1 over 4 and I multiply it times 20 over 1. We have cancellation with the 4 and the 20. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 25. And now I take my 5 and I multiply it times the 2y plus 1. And I bring down my minus sign. And 1 times 20 is 20. And so again, the benefit of multiplying by the least common multiple is to be able to eliminate the fractions so that we can actually, it'll be a whole lot easier for us to finish solving the problem. So the distributive property tells me if I multiply 4 times everything on the inside, I get 12y minus 4. Now I'm taking a negative 5 and I'm multiplying it times everything. This gives me negative 10y minus 5 is equal to 20. If I combine like terms, 12y minus 10y is 2y. And then negative 4 minus 5, the signs are the same, so I add these two numbers and I keep that sign, and that's equal to 20. And now it's just time to do the classic two-step, and we're finished with the problem. First thing we do is we add 9 to both sides, and we'll see that we have 2y is equal to 29. And last move, we divide both sides by 2. And so our solution set here is y is equal to 29 over 2. And so some of the problems will use the brace to denote the solution set, but that's fine.